sunburned docks and a weathered sign, two-lane road and a slower time. Pelicans line up on an old crab pot. Coffee's strong, yeah, the gossip's mine. Shrimp boats rocking to a Gulf Coast breeze. Salt in the air, sand in my jeans. The town that hums when the rest sleeps. I found myself at low tide, Cedar Key, where the days don't hurry and the nights don't try, where the moon pulls stories from the open sky. If you're looking for peace, it's closer than it seems. Right there on the edge of the Gulf, so free. I learned how to breathe, learn who I'd be. When the water fell back at low tide, Cedar Key. Tin roof music from a bar downtown. Someone's laughing, someone's breaking down. Old man swears he saw Hemingway. Swig of beer says sunny state. Kayaks glide through the mangrove shade. Eagles draw circles the hard way. You don't need much, just time and a breeze and a little faith in the Cedar Key, where the days don't hurry and the nights don't try, where the moon pulls stories from the open sky. If you're looking for peace, it's closer than it seems. Right there on the edge of the Gulf, so free. I learned how to breathe, learn who I'd be. When the water fell back at low tide, Cedar Key. Storms come knocking, yeah, they always do. Windows rattle, skies turn blue, but the town stands up, dales and a beam. Hard like driftwood, tough and lean. You lose a little, you gain what you need. That's the way it works in Cedar Key. Sunset bleeds into tangerine. Boats head home like a quiet dream. I wrote her name in the wet sand there, watched her fade, but I didn't care. Some places changing, some that you be, some just whisper, stay a while please. Where the days don't hurry and the nights don't try, where the moon pulls stories from the open sky. If you're looking for peace, it's closer than it seems. Right there on the edge of the Gulf, so free. I learned how to breathe, learn who I'd be. When the water fell back at low tide, Cedar Key. Yeah, the world can wait, right where I need. When the tide rolls out in Cedar Key.